1 cup of onion and 1 cup of tomato, 1 green chilli and 1 beans, and we can roast this here. After roasted, we can add water and for 5 minutes mix well. We do not add this because of artificial color and artificial flavor. That's why we already had all vegetables and garlic, sorry, chili as well. I forget one thing, you do not forget the salt. We can add some peanuts here. Can mix well. Wait 5 minutes. Slowly bubbles coming. You can add some this black name. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕುದೀತಾ ಇದೆ ರಾಜ. And you can add this. What is this? After that, you can mix well. What a flavor! Very good smell. Wow, looking very very colorful and highly hygienic. And you can add some chili powder. See how it was looking. No artificial color, that's why it's looking white color. We are added all vegetables and home cooking. This is see our 2 minutes Maggi is ready to eat. Enjoy and like the video. I thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this Maggi.